Hi and welcome back to my channel at Bhumi Ground for Education. And I am Bhumika Batra discussing the steps and the alternates to be an expertise in a field. In this video, I'm going to shoot about the RStudio, how to download and install it in your system. And before downloading RStudio, let's discuss about R, how to download and install it in your system. Download R directly from the Google. Go to the first link, download R for Windows. Click on this link, download R for Windows 32/64-bit. Once you click on this, the download will get started. It will take few seconds to get it downloaded. The R setup is now downloaded. Just double click on this. Once you double click this, you will get a pop-up and say yes to that pop-up. Once you click on yes, you will get a dialog box. It states in which language you want to get it downloaded. So by default it is English. So let it be and click on OK. Then the terms and conditions will be there. If you have time and interest, read it and then next. Otherwise, directly do next. Simply do next. If you would like to create any shortcuts for desktop or quick launch, enable it. If not, otherwise, next. And the installation will get start. Great. The R setup is now installed in the system. Once the R is installed in our system, let's go for downloading RStudio. Go to the first option, download RStudio, and we'll be directed to the rstudio.com. Here I have four packages for RStudio. One is two are free and two are paid. So as per your requirement and suitability, you can go for any one of them. And below to that, there are specifications for each and every package. As of now, go to the just RStudio desktop, which is free. It will now ask you, click on this link if you have a Windows operating system, and if you have other than Windows, you can scroll down and click on any of the link below. Click on download RStudio for Windows. Once you click, the download will start. It will take few seconds to get it downloaded. RStudio is now downloaded. So just double click this, and once you double click this, a pop-up will come and just state yes. Once you click on yes, setup box will come. Go to next, install. RStudio is now installing in your system and it will take few seconds to go. It's done now. RStudio setup finish. Now let's check if R and RStudio is rightly installed. Alphabetically I'm looking for it. R is here, and below to this RStudio. RStudio is here. I'll click on this and I'll show you the framework for RStudio. How does this looks like? From 19th October, 19th and 22 days workshop I'm conducting on RStudio. So there I'll be teaching each and everything about RStudio, the complete basics and descriptive stats. So if you're looking forward for it, you can visit www.edbhumi.com and enroll for yourself. This is our studio looks like, and we are done with the software installation.
Hope you liked this video and you understood how to download and install R&R Studio step by step. As already discussed, I'm going to conduct on EdBhumi Go Live sessions on our studio fundamentals and descriptive stats. With that, I'm also going to take the assessment after the session on the second day related to the two sessions where you have to do Q&A with me. All the links about the workshop are mentioned in the description box below, or you can visit the website www.edbhumi.com to register yourself. I hope to see you very soon in the next video. Bye.